Humankind has always been cautious about where they choose to settle down. When buying a home, location is the prime facet that acts as a deciding factor. At Ambience, we welcome you to this fully developed, safe and secure, pristine setting where you experience ample connectivity to everything. Here you witness the Ambience legacy. For more than 35 years, we have spread our wings with developments across hotels, malls, office spaces, schools, golf courses, and residential developments and delivered the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship across the National Capital Region. With world-class medical facilities nearby, you get access to the best establishments in the country, catering to your healthcare needs to the fullest. We leave no stone unturned with some top-of-the-segment academic centers in the vicinity. The close connectivity to schools, colleges and universities from their homes results in the holistic development of the students. With the presence of multiple recreational hotspots in the neighborhood for every age group, we want you to stay healthy, meet like-minded people, have fun, and enjoy life. The convenient access to some of the luxurious hotels gives you a taste of exclusivity and a lavish lifestyle. And for a superb work-life balance, all the major MNCs are located nearby from the Ambience Creations. With Indira Gandhi International Airport in the vicinity, soon we will be welcoming the Delhi Metro and the Grand Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System right at our doorsteps. Because it's not just about the place you live in, it's the ambience that matters. And that's why it appreciates itself.